Gideon here with G.T.M Farm and Rabbitry, back with another video. I just kind of wanted to show off some of the plants that we've been finding on our property this year, because apparently this property was owned by quite a few different people before we bought it. But one of the things we noticed just in the past couple weeks when stuff started to bloom was a magnolia tree. Now, aside from looking beautiful, this thing smells amazing. So cool looking, and this is a big one too. We also noticed that we have another little one way over there. It's not even like quite as big as this one. It's more like a bush over there, but so yeah, but this one's nice and tall. This has to be at least, I would say, 10 or 12 feet tall, and it's flowering super nice. Like, there's some that aren't even open yet, and it just smells, I mean, they smell amazing. Now these guys, sorry, I gotta take a hit of this. Not sponsored, but man, is it good. These guys can get from anywhere from 15 feet to 80 feet high. Is one of the biggest recorded magnolia trees. That's pretty big. I believe it was Andrew Jackson planted some magnolia trees on the lawn of the White House for his late wife, who passed away shortly after he won the election. So it's, you know, it's beloved by many. It's super, super beautiful. In case you're wondering, these guys grow in zones 4 through 9. So that's zones 4 through 9. They also come in a lot of different colors, including yellow, white, pink, green, I think a couple other ones, but pink is probably the one you'll see the most of. And you can see it's such a vibrant, it's super vibrant down here, and then it just kind of like fades off into a nice like lavendery purple color. And there are actually over 210 kinds of magnolia trees, and they are actually the state flower of Mississippi and Louisiana. So, fun little fact there. Okay, and then over here, guys, we have a great big, actually I think it's a couple different ones, but lilac plants. And you can see they're super, super vibrant, and we have some that aren't even opened yet, actually. And I mean, you can see it goes all the way up there, and it's like intertwined with this other tree. I think that's a maple tree up there. But, I mean, look at all that. That is nice. And I said the magnolias smelled nice. Lilacs, these, I mean, these smell awesome. Love that smell. So lilacs are actually referred to as the queen of the shrubs, and you can see why, because it looks so regal, a nice rich purple color. And these guys can get up to 10 feet high, which I think is about this guy's limit way up there. I think it's just about at its limit, but so beautiful. Super, super nice, really beautiful. And just like the magnolia, these guys come in a little bit of a variety of color. They can come in pink, purple, blue, and I think white, which I'm going to show you something in a second over there. So over here around the corner of the house, we have this white lilac tree. Now, I'm not a botanist or anything, for sure, but I'm pretty sure this is a lilac. It smells just like the other ones, and it looks pretty similar. So I don't know if this is going to change color or if it's just white, but either way, super nice looking. Another little fun fact, lilacs actually smell the best when it's hot and sunny outside. Smell best when it's no overcast, nice strong rays of sun shining down on them, and you get that nice rich scent. And if you didn't know, lilacs are actually in the same family as the olive tree for some reason. Okay guys, now over here in this corner of the yard, we have what is called a bleeding heart plant. And you can see why. It kind of is shaped like a heart, and then it has the little white part down here that looks like it's kind of dripping down. So that's why they call it a bleeding heart. Now these are actually poisonous to humans and most animals to consume. So, gotta be careful around those, but they are super, super beautiful. And they don't really have much of a scent. I think they're mostly for aesthetic, but like I said, I'm not a botanist or anything, not a professional. just kind of learning as we go along here about all these different plants. Yeah, that was just a little bit of a tour around of the plants and the trees and stuff we have around the property right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we hope that we will see you in the next one. Have a good day, bub. Yes, yeah.